Just as the young woman stepped into her home, a terrifying incident unfolded. The doorbell camera captured footage of her, a university student, returning home, unlocking the door, and walking inside. But less than 5 seconds after the door closed behind her, two large men suddenly approached the front porch. One of them attempted to open the door and began knocking forcefully, clearly with ill intent. Realizing there were two strangers right outside her door, the girl panicked, screamed in fear, and immediately tried to drive them away.